Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, do you want to make this amazing world map animation? So, let me show you how to make this amazing world map animation in a PowerPoint in just 6 minutes. So, tag along and watch the video till the end. But first, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and stuff like this. And that's all. So, let's start. Here you go. So you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna search for map SVG and you're gonna press on the first website and this world's map. And as you can see, here are many countries on this world's map. It is an entire world map, and what you're gonna do is press the download button, and here as you can see, we're gonna go to PowerPoint and insert the picture that we downloaded from the website. By the way, I have also given the download link for the web world map for free in the link in the description. So if you don't want to search for it, you can just simply go to description and you can click on that link and check out the everything. So we're gonna change it to shape, and what we're gonna do is select some of the countries. We're gonna change their color. So I'm gonna use lime color for them because these are the countries of whose we are gonna change the we're gonna change their colors, and we want to show their location. So we're gonna go to icons and we're gonna insert a location icon onto each of the country and increase its size. We're gonna place it on each of the country that we highlighted, like the I'm gonna use lime color. So let's place it right here and let's change this color to black. No, white will be alright because white looks more beautiful than black. We're gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and we're gonna place it on each of the highlighted countries. Here you go. Now moving on to the next step, we're gonna select all of these location and we're gonna adjust their size because I want them to be in the middle of each of the country. So here you go. I've adjusted all of them. Go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a line, and you're gonna change its color and increase its width. You're gonna place it onto the one of the icons like this. And here you go. Place it right here and rotate it like this. Here it comes. Let's increase its width. And here you go. Let's change this color to gray. Yeah. So we're gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and place each of it onto each of the icon, and we're gonna adjust them and their direction because we want them to be perfectly aligned. So I'm gonna place it next to each of the location icon on each of the country. These are going to be the name of, we're going to write the name of the countries and the other stuff in front of these lines. Let's duplicate it and place it onto Russia. And here you go. What we're going to do is place this one right here below India. And we're going to duplicate one of them and decrease the size, make them straight. And we're going to move each of them in front of each of the line. Something like this, because in front of these we're gonna write the location. So we're gonna adjust all of these. Here you go. Let's decrease the size because I want the text to be coming not really close to the border. So let's do something like this. As you can see, this line is straight, so I'm going to just rotate it to make some more effects and some more space for the below line. We're going to insert a text box in which we're going to add our header, bold it, and we're going to duplicate the text, same text box, and in it we're going to write other text that we want. And let's change its color, decrease its size, and give it some spacing if you want. And here you go. But spacing doesn't really look nice, so I'm gonna group it all. And I'm gonna change the headers color to the same color as we used on the map, and for the text color we're gonna change it to gray and duplicate this text box, and we're gonna place each of it in front of each of the line and the country. Here you go. But as you can see, I have not remembered to put one next to India. So let me just place one here. You're gonna go to animation, select each of the allocation icon and give it float and icon. And we're gonna use animation painter, and for the lines we're gonna first of all group them, and second what we're gonna do is, wait, let me just put the text here, and we're gonna give them wipe animation, and for the text we're gonna give it fly in animation. You can change the direction, and I'm gonna use animation painter to give the same animation to other icons, other lines, and other text. So what we're gonna do is first of all select the icon you're gonna give the animation to, and you're gonna select the icon of which animation you want to give. You're gonna go to animation painter, and then you're gonna select the same icon that you want to apply the animation on. So this is the final result. After giving all of the animations, you can slow down the speed if you want to see the detailed video. And that was all for today. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any queries, you can also comment down to ask me and I will answer you. So you can also check out my Pinterest link and my Patreon link from the channel description. And that's for today. And I'll make you another video soon with more amazing content like this.